Hi, everyone. Welcome back. It's so good to see you here. Can you imagine? I do not exist. Faith created me with AI. Amazing, right? In this channel, we explore money making tips and AI tools that can change your life. Today, it'll show you how to create images and make them talk, step by step, just like me. Stick around, because this knowledge can also help you earn online. Let's dive in.
Hi, my sweet orange. You will enjoy it.
It's ready by Sweet Puff Puff.
So, that video you just watched, you can actually create the same video, even more fun, more engaging than the one you just saw. Do you just see what happened? All in one tool. This AI tool I'm about to show you can actually do all of this for you. And the amazing part of this AI tool is that unlike other AI tool you can use and they'll ask you for subscription, is premium, there are some features that you can actually use without payment. But you see this particular AI tool, oh my god, is a must use because everything you actually needed is in this app. You don't need to go out. Everything is in this application. So let me walk you through a step-by-step guide how to run this app and create our amazing, beautiful talking avatar. Okay, so let's dive in. You go to your Google Play Store and you type Grok. Okay, so immediately you type Grok, it will bring this out. It will bring this application out, and then you install. Okay, you install, but for me it's going to show open. Then you click on open. Then immediately you click on open, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, you can see a lot of images here, so you can pick any of your desired image. You make them talk, you can make them laugh, you can make them dance, like you can do anything. You can do anything to any of this image, and that is why I love this app so much, because it's unlimited. You are not paying anything. Okay, unlike some apps that you want to use it to generate image, but to make the image talk you will need to pay. To animate the image you need to pay. But you see, everything is here. You don't need to go elsewhere to make your images talk. This is one of the image I actually make. Okay, so you can use the image generated by this app and you can generate your own image. As you can see, all this image here are being generated by this app. Okay, and you can make any one of them talk, you can make any one of them do anything. Just give this AI prompt and this AI will do exactly what you want it to do. Okay, so this is one of the image I picked here, and then I generate it, I make it talk. Now see, let me click it for you to see. Okay, can you see? I make it like fun. Okay, so this is the image of a warrior removing his shirt. So guys, so let me take you back. So immediately you landed on this page. This is the axe icon. This is the axe icon, which is you can ask this AI anything. Okay, and this is the imagine icon, so you can give your prompts. Okay, so in order not to waste our time, let's go to imagine, where we are going to create our images. Okay, so this is imagine, and then you will ask AI to, okay, a woman selling a woman selling fruits in the market. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate for us. Do you see these amazing pictures? Like, see fruit, I beg. So this is it, and it's so beautiful. This AI will give you a realistic images, like it will look like a cartoon or whatever. It's going to give you beautiful, amazing images, okay? So, okay, let's pick this woman. Let's pick this woman here. Okay, now it landed us here. You can see this beautiful woman selling beautiful fruits. So now, after creating your image, the next thing for you to do is to make video, because this is a static image, right? So you need to create, make this video talk, make this video move, okay? So this is it. Oh, look at images. Like, one thing I love about this app is that it will give you a whole lot of image for you to choose, okay? Oh my god, well, I will have picked this, but nevertheless, let's just continue with our tutorial. So now we've picked this, right? Okay, so the next thing now is that you will click make image, okay? Make image. So you click on make image because we want this static image to move, okay? We want it to move. So you need to be patient for it to load, okay? You need to be patient for it to load. So now it is done. Now do you see it? The static image is moving. So now we're going to make this image talk, okay? So you're going to give your prompt. So the first thing you will do is that you click redo, okay? So when you click redo, you click speech, okay? So now you have to type the speech. Come and buy my fruits. They are cheap and sweet. Now we'll send it now. Now it's loading, okay? This woman is going to talk now. It's loading. So you need to be very patient, okay? You need to be very patient for it to load and give you your desired results. And you need to have a strong internet connection, okay?
Come and buy my fruits. They are cheap and sweet. Come and buy my fruits. They are cheap and sweet.
Do you see it, guys? So what she is saying, the action she is making is synchronizing with the word that she's speaking, okay? This is beautiful. This is amazing, guys. All in one app. You don't need to go out of this app. So now, let's make this fun, okay? Let's make this fun. Now, you know the first step is that we've created the image. We've made the image to talk, right? Now, let's add fun. Let's fun this image, okay? So you're going to click on redo again. You're going to click on redo. So when you click on redo, you click fun, okay? And then it loads. So let's see the fun aspect of this woman, okay? As you all see and watch the fun aspect of that woman selling puff puff in the beginning of this video. So now it's done. Do you see that, guys? Do you see that, guys? Oh my god. So that is the fun aspect of this video, okay? Let's just hold the video here. See, just subscribe to this channel. Thumbs up. Like, am I not giving you amazing content? And you're going to see more of this. I believe, in fact, this is amazing, okay? So this app can generate a whole lot for you, okay? A whole lot. Look at the fun aspect. Look at the speech aspect. That blew our mind, right? This is so amazing. So guys, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that when valuable content like this comes up, YouTube is going to notify you. You see this image you've created now, you can use it for your shorts, okay, and put your background music. You can sell it on Pixabay, on Pixel, okay? And then as people download, you get paid. Isn't that amazing? What are we here for? It's not to make money. So we can generate images like this and make money. And trust me, families, there is no copyright issue, nothing, nothing. Okay, because you gave your prompt and it generated it for you. Even if you didn't give your prompt, okay? So that is it. So this is amazing. Look at beautiful photos. Like I said earlier, there are sites you can sell this particular photo. I've mentioned two for you, right? There are still great platforms that you can sell your photos legitly and they will pay you ASAP. Okay? So guys, the last feature that I'm going to show you now, you see this icon here? This icon here, you can create your image, like you can upload your image. In case you don't want any image here, you can actually upload your image. So you click your photo icon and it will take you to your images, and then you upload that image and then make that image talk, animate the image, and still do what you did to this image here. You can still do it to your image on your phone. Okay, so this app is so great. So do well to like, subscribe. As you all know, we'll be bringing anything that can give you income. Okay, this channel is all about making money online, so you can actually create avatar like this and then you use it as your content, either Facebook, Instagram, like I have said. So it's still part of making money online. So if this interests you, if you love what you've seen and our avatar, so do well to like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when amazing content such as this and even the ones that are coming that you have not even imagined it, YouTube will not fail to notify you. Do have a lovely day. Bye.